slow. Imagine a future where the laws of physics are not just understood, but commanded. A future where gravity isn't a constant, but a variable. This is the world of the anti-gravity Mech Squadron, the most elite fighting force ever conceived. Forget what you know about warfare. We're not talking about tanks rolling over battlefields or jets screaming through the sky. We're talking about colossal titans of engineering. 50-ton mechs that float silently above the ground, defying the very force that holds our world together. So, how does it work? At the heart of each of these behemoths is a Graviton Core. This isn't science fiction. Well, not entirely. It's the theoretical pinnacle of quantum engineering. The core generates a localized field that essentially tells gravity to take a hike. It creates a bubble of null gravity around the mech, allowing it to hover, drift, and move with an eerie grace that's completely at odds with its massive size. The pilots, known as gravjackies, don't just steer a machine. They manipulate physics itself. They can adjust the intensity of the anti-gravity field below, allowing them to ascend rapidly to staggering heights or drop like a stone, only to hold inches from the ground in a breathtaking display of control. Now, let's talk about the squadron itself. They're called the Phantoms for a reason. An encounter with them is often described as seeing ghosts. One moment, the horizon is clear. The next, a squadron of silent floating giants materializes out of thin air, their metallic hulls shimmering in the light. They don't have roaring engines or loud thrusters. Their movements are nearly soundless, making them the ultimate stealth weapon. They can glide over treacherous terrain, cross vast bodies of water, and position themselves in locations completely inaccessible to conventional ground or air forces. Imagine a mech appearing on top of a skyscraper or silently navigating a dense canyon without making a sound. That's the Phantom's signature. Each mech is a marvel of multi-role design. The standard Spectre model is the workhorse of the squadron. It's equipped with long-range plasma cannons that can strike targets with pinpoint accuracy from miles away, and shoulder-mounted ion missile pods for overwhelming firepower. The pilot is encased in a neuro-interface cockpit, directly linking their thoughts to the mech's movements. This means reaction times are instantaneous. The pilot thinks, the mech does. It's a true symbiosis of human and machine. Then you have the specialized units. The Wraith is the scout and infiltrator of the group. It's smaller, faster, and equipped with advanced cloaking technology that bends light around its chassis, rendering it virtually invisible to the naked eye and most sensors. Wraiths are the eyes and ears of the squadron, slipping behind enemy lines to provide critical intel or take out high-value targets before a battle even begins. On the other end of the spectrum is the Banshee. This isn't a mech built for subtlety. It's a flying fortress, a heavy assault platform armed with a devastating gravity cannon. This weapon doesn't fire a projectile. It fires a pulse of concentrated gravitational force. The pulse can crush enemy armor like a tin can or create a gravity well that pulls multiple enemy units together, making them easy targets for the rest of the squadron. The psychological impact of seeing a Banshee power up its main weapon is often enough to end a conflict. But the true strength of the anti-gravity Mech Squadron isn't just their advanced technology. It's the pilots. These grab jockeys are the best of the best. Recruited from the top echelon of aerospace and combat pilots, they undergo years of grueling physical and mental conditioning. They have to be part strategist, part physicist, and all warrior. Operating an anti-gravity mech is incredibly disorienting. There's no up or down unless you decide where it is. Pilots have to develop an iron will and an unshakable sense of spatial awareness to handle the extreme G-forces and the sheer mental load of manipulating gravity itself. The anti-gravity Mech Squadron represents a paradigm shift in military doctrine. They are the ultimate rapid deployment force, capable of projecting power anywhere on the globe in a matter of hours. The peacekeepers, first responders, and the silent guardians of a new era. They are a testament to what humanity can achieve when we dare to look beyond our limits and reach for the stars. By first learning how to push away the ground beneath our feet. This is the future of conflict, a silent, graceful, and terrifying dance of giants in the sky. Thanks so much for watching and exploring this concept with me. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of the Phantoms, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into futuristic tech and awesome concepts. See you next time.